This example turns it up another notch by adding a set of parentheses in here. So we have the expression 4 times the square root of 7 times the quantity, 2 times the square root of 8 plus 3 times the square root of 7. So the first thing that we want to do is get rid of those parentheses. So we're going to take 4 times the square root of 7 and distribute it to everything inside of the parentheses. So we get 4 times the square root of 7 times 2 times the square root of 8 plus 4 times the square root of 7 times 3 times the square root of 7. Then we'll use the associative property to get the constants and the radicals together in each set of parentheses. So over here we have 4 times 2, which is 8, square root of 7 times square root of 8, which is square root of 56, 4 times 3, which is 12, and the square root of 7 times the square root of 7, which is 49. The square root of 56 is not a perfect square, so we're going to have to break that up, and that's going to become 4 times the square root of, the square root of 4 times the square root of 14. The square root of 4 is 2, so that's where we get the 16 here, because we go 8 times 2 is 16, and then we have the square root of 14 left here because 14 doesn't break down any further. Then here we have the square root of 49, which is a perfect square, and that becomes 7. So we have 12 times 7, which is 84.